Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing both the video and the separate audio into Capcut, then drag the video onto the timeline and place the audio track beneath it. Once done, trim obvious silence from either file so you don't waste time syncing dead space. Make sure to split at visible markers or mouth movements to create reference points. These early cuts give you discrete segments to line up precisely. This approach prevents drift when you later nudge or stretch audio to match visuals. Now zoom in tight on the timeline so you can see waveform peaks and individual frames. This precision is key. Match a clear audio spike, like a clap or consonant, to the exact frame where lips close or a hand hits a surface, and use that as your anchor. Nudge the audio left or right in single frame or 0 1 second increments until the action lines up. If the audio gradually drifts, use Capcut's speed adjustment on the audio clip to slightly stretch or compress timing without changing pitch. Finalize by playing the sync section repeatedly. Try slow playback at 1/2 to full speed to ensure alignment holds throughout. Add short fades of 2 to 5/10 of a second to prevent clicks and normalize the track to keep levels consistent. If you still notice drift, check sample rate mismatches and export settings, re-export the audio at the project's sample rate, or re-record the problematic segment. As a quick fix, split the clip where drift begins and realign, or apply a tiny speed change to that portion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.